If you have a Microsoft 365 Copilot and you're in Microsoft Word, I have a great video you need to know about. One of the most popular features with the licensed Copilot version is the ability to summarize the document. What I want to cover, though, is where summarizing with the Word desktop and summarizing with Word for the web is not technically the same. There are features in the web you get that you'll not get in the desktop version. Let me dive into this right now. So here's where they are similar and do exactly the same. I have my OneNote running. I created this Delta Airlines corporate overview. I don't work for Delta. I just made this file. Click on the three dots. I'm going to open it in the desktop version first of Word. It's opened in Word desktop at the top. It'll always give me 2 lines, and it's given me those 2 lines in the summary because this file was stored in the cloud either on OneDrive or SharePoint. If I would have opened this file from my Downloads folder, which is not attached to OneDrive, I would have to click Generate Summary, just to be clear. This document is 9 pages, so here's where Word for the web and Word desktop are the same. When I select View More for the summary, the standard summary is a standard. You can do brief or you can do a detailed. They'll be exactly the same in Word for the web and desktop. Now, here's where they differ. I'm over in the desktop version, and all I had was the summary. There were no other features available here. So let me just close this and go open it in the web. I'm going to the 3 dots. I'm going to hit Open in Browser. Same file, same 2 lines for the summary again. But there's View More, just to show you this. Standard, brief, detailed. That didn't change. But if you look up at the top next to my summary, because I'm in the web version, I have discussion. Discussion will go show you if anyone has made any comments to this. And as you can see, I added a comment to this file. That is a great feature. If other people worked on this, I would see their comments also. You're wondering who has been in this file. That is the Activities tab at the top. I created this, and you can see I've been the only one in it. But I also get this great feature that I love called Insights, and it goes and pulls key numbers from that file. And as you can see there, they are at the top. It gives me suggested Q&A at the top here also. Also on Insights, I have the ability to go and create a podcast style recording of this. Let me go ahead and do that. It's showing up in the bottom right-hand corner. You could also have done this from Microsoft OneDrive with this file, but there is a podcast style recording. It'll take a second to play. I'm just going to close it for now. I've covered this in another video. So there is a big difference between Word for the web, summary, you get 3 additional tabs, and Word desktop. Now, just to prove one feature, I have opened up this file again, and as I mentioned, if you open up from Downloads or some location that's not tied into your cloud, it says Summary by Copilot, and you have to generate this summary. And so now I got to click on Generate, and it will generate, and I'll still have my same options when it's done, brief, standard, and detailed. You can also always copy this from web or here. So we quickly covered the differences in Word for the web versus Word desktop. I appreciate your time. Have a great day.